Previously on Traveling Table.
By far the best.
Coming up on today's episode.
This is at the top of my bucket list, so.
Our phones are not working.
So we had no idea where we were gonna go or where we were gonna sleep tonight.
Get in the van because the sand is whipping my face.
Last night we slept under the stars in our van just outside of Sedona.
We are awake. Red rocks outside our windows.
Beautiful.
And first things first, Mama needs her coffee.
Head into Sedona. Let's go.
As soon as we're rolling into Sedona, we are completely stunned by the view.
It's so pretty. We are off to find a playground because these kids need to run. Dash found a group of friends. Like, he just had the best time ever. It was like almost like a camp. Here you go to camp.
Go to camp now.
It was fun.
We spent our remaining time in Sedona just wandering around like we normally do. Sedona was cool. Filled with a lot of tchotchke shops, but the people were very wonderful and friendly.
I found this little coffee shop on the roadside, and it was so sweet.
You got some more coffee because you need coffee.
And you want to do the top. You're protecting the wallet. You're clutching it.
One of my favorite things is finding little tiny small businesses in the middle of nowhere.
We're the three best friends that anybody could have. We're the three best friends that anybody could have. Mommy found grocery store. Oh yeah, Wilder laughs and points at all the dogs. We found grocery store peanut butter cookies.
On my bucket list, on my Pinterest boards, I have pinned multiple times Page, Arizona.
We are in Page, Arizona. See the van way up there. Looks like you're on Mars, bro. Dash, what do you think of this place? It's very, it's hot, yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Page is right kind of close where the Grand Canyon is, and it hosts Lake Powell.
It is the most peaceful place. It's quiet, it's serene, the water's blue, the sun was hot. It was just like, we need to get on this lake as fast as we can.
So we rented a boat, and it was a decision we do not regret. On the boat, what do you think, Dash? Should we go back now?
Yeah.
He's ready to drive?
I'm ready to drive.
Okay.
I'm the captain.
I'm the captain.
Wow, Lake Powell, you are very beautiful.
This is at the top of my bucket list, so I'm very happy right now.
Our phones are not working.
We had no idea where we were gonna go or where we were gonna sleep tonight.
Are on the road to
Moab. As we were driving to Moab, both of us realized our phones are not working. We have no service. Our AT&T has failed. And with living in a van, a lot of it has to do with our phone and like trying to discover where we're gonna stay, what part of the city, like is it safe, is it, you know, great for vans to park overnight. Where's a playground for our kids? What restaurants are we gonna eat at? And so I literally had no idea. We were really driving in blind. We stumbled upon a barbecue place that had Wi-Fi. So we were able to connect to our phones, but also eat a delicious meal.
What are you eating? Brisket. I don't know, it's so good though.
We come from Nashville. Nashville's home of like tons of really great barbecue, but this place had
It was good.
pretty decent barbecue.
Yeah.
And thank you for your Wi-Fi.
So we had no idea where we were gonna go or where we were gonna sleep tonight. Thankfully, we found a hotel and the front desk person was just like the sweetest ever and said we could park here overnight for free.
This is our van.
This is our van.
This is our view.
This is where we're gonna stay. Also, they have Wi-Fi, so maybe we won't ever leave.
We're not leaving.
What else do you do after breakfast but get donuts?
You need donuts. So we got our phones back working, and we find that Moab has a very interesting thing for kids.
The Moab Giants is the Dinosaur Museum. If you know our kid loves dinosaurs.
What is this? What do we have?
T-Rex.
Oh my goodness, Dash's favorite. The T-Rex. Is this your favorite? Look at this one. It's got like a stripy back like a tiger. Hey, Dash. Oh, it's a bad dad move. I had to do it. I had to do it.
So we headed out to the desert to park for the night. Pulled up, we get out and we're like, oh, this is great. And I'm like, oh, the wind is picking up. And then all of a sudden it was like, get in the van because the sand is whipping my face.
This is the final scene. This is the final scene. That wraps up van life, folks.
What a ride!
So it was really funny. We actually enjoyed that night quite a bit.
We just had to laugh about it.
We just had, at this point, there was nothing else to do but laugh.
I'm exhausted! Dirty! I need a shower! And a toilet that flushes! I just want to go to the bathroom whenever I want!
It was quite funny to have to rush out.
Use the
Sweep
bed.
out.
Kayla's there sweeping out the bed.
This wind is crazy!